Hi, good evening, guys. Uh, this is my aftermarket updates. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri. So let me actually tell you about what has happened today in the market. Today in the market, we closed quite negatively, but the selling is still not over. If you actually see the futures at most of the places, if you see all the US futures are trading quite negatively, and if you look at the European markets are trading very negatively. This negativeness was already there. So if you see, most of the European markets are already 2 to 3% down, and the US market is also almost 1% down as of now. Still, the market is not open. It opens only at 7 o'clock Indian time. So looking at the way the market is behaving, probably there will be a gap down opening tomorrow, and we need to see how actually things will move up from there. At the lower end, maybe 10,850 to 10,850 could be one of the major support which I can see, and from there we could probably see some amount of bounce back which we can expect. If suppose we don't if we hold on 10,950 levels. So if you look at the Indian market, there are few important levels here. So if you actually look at this levels, specifically at 10,900 level, 950 level, there is a good support. Let me show you here. Okay, I think yeah, if you look at this important level, there is a good gap support which is going to come around 10,950 levels. I'm not able to show you here in this particular thing, but the whole thing is around 10,950 to 11,000. That could be a good support if we open somewhere around 10,950 or 11,000 levels, and we hold on to this particular price levels. Probably we can start seeing some bounce back coming in. So let's see how actually things will work out. Overall, actually market was in overbought situation, and there could have been some amount of correction which was anyway due, because we have moved up quite a lot. So this is just a breather. As of now, we can look at this more like a profit booking side. As of now, we cannot see this as a reversal of any kind, but this is definitely a place where there is a lot of resistance. And if we actually move ahead from here, if we can actually take support from here and we surpass the previous high of 10,350, I think we can probably head towards 10,500 levels. So that is something which we can actually look for, and there actually we have another very important levels, and it's difficult at this point of time for it to cross. And if you look at the same thing which is happening with S&P, which is the US market, it is trying to actually move ahead of important resistance here, but again it is trying to fail. And if you look at the European market specifically, to talk about DAX is quite weak, and it has actually fallen significantly, more than 3% down. So looking at that scenario at this point of time, market looks a little weak. uh, but Indian market comparatively is quite okay at 10,950 levels, because there is a gap which is there and which can act as a support. So as of now, we don't see any reversal in the market, but definitely there is a good amount of profit taking which is happening, and probably it will continue tomorrow. And I'll explain you in the morning after market hours. Sorry, during the before the market, I'll actually give you more updates after seeing how we close on the European market and the US market. And tomorrow is Reliance results also, that will also act on the market. So we will be closely watching how actually things will go ahead with Reliance, as I've told you, is could be actually in the range between 1,800 to 2,200. Only if it passes 2,200, it has a possibility of moving higher. Otherwise probably it will be a profit booking area. And since we are already at lifetime highs, uh, Reliance is super stock, and it's worthwhile to invest in the stock at any dips. So wherever dips you get, look at opportunities to invest. Probably we will actually move in a range for Reliance, and based on that we will take a call for tomorrow. uh, so people who are actually, all of you who are watching this on Telegram, please, if you are not joined my Telegram group, it is Crazy Money with Sri. You can search for it and go and join. If you have actually on not there on my Facebook account, you can just search for the same name and you will be able to go and join. I'll be sending all the latest updates there, and I'll be doing a lot of trading ideas I'll be giving there in the Facebook live. So please join there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting all these market updates before market and after market, and I'll be actually coming out with newer shows where I will be taking live calls, where I will be talking about your stock, I'll be talking about your portfolio and all. So please stay tuned to this. And whoever is interested, who are new to this entire thing and who are actually interested in learning stock market, there's a link below. You go and actually click on that, and I have a small basic course starting from just 499 rupees. So please get started with that. And if you want advanced courses, go ahead and actually there's a link below there where you can directly chat with me. I have advanced courses also which is there, and I do all these live courses, so you get benefited by this. So there's a lot of free programs which are actually free trainings which I am actually giving on YouTube and Facebook, so you can always go through that. But if you really want to learn, I think this is the first step. If you are newbie and just getting started, join the 499 course. If you are already there and you want some advanced programs, there's advanced programs starting from 1999. So you can contact me, I'll actually give you more details. Thank you guys, have a great day then.